Hello everybody, we are here on SUI USDT chart and I want to know that if it was possible for us to take this trade from this point, entry, a stop loss and take profit with a reward near 6 risk to reward. So let's check it out and see that if we could do that or not. Here, as you can see, we have a very big move in daily time frame. And what we have here, as you can see between these three candles, we have an imbalance. And again an imbalance here and again an imbalance here. But market respect this imbalance more than two other. Why the big move starts from here? It's because in daily time frame, as you can see, we have a very good move here and pull back to this imbalance area and again goes up to liquidity area in the back and comes back again, and another pullback here to this imbalance area and goes up to this imbalance area. Let me show you clearer than this. Here we have an imbalance too, and between these three candles, 1, 2, 3, and market comes back here, do this pullback and again bust on here. But from this candle and this order block, we have a very big move up. Why this happened? It's a very good question. If it's your question too, you should know that you can check it on another time frame to see your answer, because the higher time frame is the best answer for us, for our analysis. And for that, we should go to weekly time frame. Here we are on weekly time frame. As you can see, we have a very big imbalance with a very strong candle here. What's imbalance? The gap between these three candles. 1, 2, 3. Between these three candles, we have a very big gap, and it shows us with this strong candle, market will get back to this point. And after that, after market did this pullback to this order block, the last opposite color candle, we can execute our position here. And the imbalances and gaps and the FVGs, the names are not important. The most important thing is that you know where to look and why to look. As I've said before, any market with accurate input data moves by technical analysis rules. If you know where to look and how to look, we will talk about it later more than this, that what is imbalance, when we can use it, how we should use it, and so many other things. The most important things that you need to note is we need to have three lures for our trade. 1, what is the trend? 2, where is the liquidity? 3, where is the imbalance and where is the gap? And where is the order block? Because from order block, we can reject, we can do the rejection, and from liquidity too. But here, market reject from order block, not from imbalances. Because in daily time frame, from imbalances, we have rejection, but very small from this point. And market moves from one liquidity, one supply zone to another supply zone, and one demand zone to another demand zone. Market moves from one point to another point with its rules. It's so simple if you know how to use it. We will talk about it more than this later. Good luck.